so the final workout where we talk about qualification workout 3 of the 2014 Fitness in Cape Town competition. We're going to do the demo with only 4 team members, including myself. It's just to get across the principles that we're going to use in this combination of ground to overhead and pull-ups. The first 6 minutes are just there for the ground to overhead. There's no pull-ups going to be done in that time. We're going to have a barbell, and if you want to film in, we have weights that you guys hopefully have in increments of 5 kilograms. So 2.5 kilo plates will make 5 kilograms and help us out here. The reason we use this increments is because every gym probably has different weights, and we don't want to have people post scores that are 47.5 kilograms. No, it's 47, that's actually not that bad, but very odd numbers. So for us, only the full 5 kilos count. So a team would set up, such as ourselves, and we would set up the first weight, and since we only can move up in weight, we would start with a relatively low starting weight that we know the person that has the lowest ground to overhead will be able to master. So right now we're going to start and put 5 kilos on the side, for instance, to make the weight 25 kilos. So then the first athlete will get into the bar and lift 25 kilos. Get the bar to the shoulders. And then to the overhead position, it's important that the hips, knees, and elbows are fully extended. And then bring the weight back down. That's a good rep. 25. Now we're going to move up the weight unless another athlete would like to try this weight. If we all know we can do this, we can go faster and put on more. So in this guys, we have 34 kilos on the plate, on the bar. The next athlete moves on, hits the bar to the shoulders, and overhead, beautiful. And put it back down. Now, before we change anything else, athlete number 1 could try to do this again, and you can try it. If the athlete doesn't want to go, that's absolutely fine. Then her score will remain 25 kilos. She's not going to go any further. We cannot take any weight off the bar. Okay, so we have to continue either with this weight, and Richard can help try to get this weight, or you can say we're going to go higher. In this case, we're going to go higher. In this case, we have 55 kilos on the bar. That's easy to shoulder, to overhead, feet together, full extension, and bring it back down. That's a good lift. In this session, we continue to put more and more weights on the bar until we have reached the highest weight that we can reach, or until all team members have failed and really cannot continue. We have almost unlimited attempts here. But we can never take weights off the bar. We can take plates off the bar, but the total weight on the bar cannot go lower in the next lift. So if we lift 55 kilos here, we cannot have an attempt of 50 or less later on. Okay. Once those 6 minutes are over, we're going to walk over to the pull-up bar. On the pull-up bar, we're going to rotate in genders. Any gender can start. In this case, the guys start. We're just getting onto the bar, full extension at the bottom, knees and shoulders fully extended, chin over the bar clearly, come back down. He's going to do as many repetitions as he wants to without dropping off the bar. Whenever he has finished his set, he drops off the bar, the next athlete gets on the bar, and we'll attempt to pull up. That was no full extension, but you get it all the way up there and bring it back down. That's the second one, full extension, so that's 1 rep. Again, we can switch to it at any time. So the next person is a guy again. So Richard goes again. I told him earlier that I would go, but obviously I won't. And then kipping technique is obviously allowed. Chin over the bar. 3 more repetitions. And now the next person will be again from the gender. And the person that's attempting doesn't have to manage to do a pull-up. In this case, it's fine. All the reps count. That last one was not reaching over the bar. That's fine. But it is sufficient if I, as the male, go up there right now to the bar, I attempt, I fail, that's fine, and now one of the females can go again. We're going to go continuously for another total of 6 minutes, and the total number of repetitions, the total number of pull-ups counts. That's basically all from here. We're going to walk real quick to the scoreboard. On the scoreboard we have an example of how the scoring works. We put imaginary scores over here. Woman 1 does 30 kilos, woman 2, 40 kilos, woman 3, 50, 55 kilos. On the men's side we have 60 kilos, 65 and 80 kilos. The total of these weights, this is the maximum weight for person 1, maximum weight for person 2, their maximum lift. We add all these maximum lifts up, and that's obviously not 33 but 330 kilos. And we add to that the total number of pull-ups that we have one score. All the individual maxes added together with the total number of pull-ups, that is the total score for this workout. That's it for workout 3. If you have any questions, post them to us on Facebook or send us an email and we'll try to sort it out. Thank you guys very much. See you guys all on Saturday or at Fitness in Cape Town 2014, which is February 1st and 2nd in Stellenbosch, Cape Town.